Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get OKX deposit address. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is you need to go to the bottom right corner where the assets icon is. You're going to click on it. Now under Seize Your Future with Crypto Now, you are going to click on the deposit button. You will then select deposit crypto. Once you're done, you can now choose which type of crypto you want to use. You can use USDT, BTC, ETH, FTM, and then SOL. So I'm going to use BTS, for example. Now what you need to do is you need to select the network. Select the same network as the platform you're withdrawing from to avoid losing your funds. So make sure that you're careful here. So since I chose Bitcoin, I'm going to use the Bitcoin network. And there you go. There is your address. Now, there are other things that you can do. If you don't want to manually type it out, you can either decide to copy it or you can scan the QR code right there above. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was very helpful.